Have you ever felt stuck because you weren't good at something right away? Maybe you've thought, I'll never be able to do that, or I'm just not smart enough. Well, I've got some great news for you. Your brain is way more powerful than you think. And today, we're going to talk about how you can unlock that power with something called a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities, skills, and intelligence aren't fixed. They can grow and improve with effort, practice, and learning. Think of it like this: your brain is like a muscle, and just like any muscle, the more you challenge it, the stronger it gets. Let's say you're struggling with math. If you have a fixed mindset, you might say, I'm just not good at math. But with a growth mindset, you'd think, I may not be good at math yet, but if I keep practicing and asking for help, I can get better. When you believe that you can grow and improve, you're more likely to take on challenges, push through obstacles, and bounce back from failures. Why? Because instead of seeing failure as the end, you see it as a learning opportunity. People with a growth mindset aren't afraid of being wrong. They know that failure is part of the process, and they learn from their mistakes. On the other hand, people with a fixed mindset often give up when things get hard because they think they've reached their limit. So, how do you build a growth mindset? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. 1. Instead of avoiding things that seem hard, lean into them. Whether it's trying out for a sports team, starting a new hobby, or taking on a tough class, remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Even if it doesn't go perfectly, you'll learn something along the way. 2. Learn from feedback. Nobody's perfect, and that's okay. Whether it's feedback from a teacher, coach, or friend, take it as a chance to get better. Instead of thinking, I messed up, think, what can I do differently next time? 3. Celebrate effort, not just results. Here's the thing: progress isn't always about getting everything right on the first try. It's about the effort you put in, the persistence, and the small improvements along the way. So, instead of only celebrating big wins, take time to appreciate the hard work that's getting you there. Let's take someone like Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Did you know he didn't even make his high school varsity team the first time he tried out? Instead of giving up, he worked harder, practiced more, and eventually became a legend. That's the power of a growth mindset in action. Want to start building your growth mindset today? Here are a few simple steps you can take. Set small, realistic goals and track your progress. When things get tough, remind yourself that it's part of the learning process. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Remember, your abilities are not set in stone. With effort, practice, and the right mindset, you can grow, improve, and achieve amazing things. So, the next time you face a challenge, don't shy away. Embrace it, learn from it, and watch yourself grow.